Good morning. Happy Friday. It's I don't know the date, I forgot. Oh, good morning. How was your sleep? Okay, she wants to take the phone. I'll give it to you later, but let me record first. Okay, so today it's gonna be a good day because we're gonna go somewhere, and I'll bring you there. Isasama ko po kayo sa araw namin today. Okay, let's go down. We're gonna shower, we're gonna eat breakfast. I'll cook for food for this baby before we go. So see you po later. Be with us. Good morning. So, ito yung vanity na ginawa ng husband ko. Ngayon ko lang na-picturean. Yan, ang ganda ng pa-mirror natin dyan. And ito yung loob niyan. Cabinet siya. Alcohol. Okay, let's brush your teeth. Hi, Belle. Good morning again. Gusto niya akong panoorin na nag-toothbrush. Yan pa yung lagi niyang ginagawa. Mama will brush teeth first, okay? Can I brush my teeth? Huh? Huh? Yeah! Are you happy Mama is brushing her teeth? Huh?
Hindi, mama, nilid na. Nilid na, mama.
So, tapos na po tayo mag-toothbrush. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tuwang-tuwa yung anak ko lagi pag nakikita niya akong nag-toothbrush. So, I'm gonna prepare potato and spinach for my baby's breakfast. For my breakfast, I'm gonna make ham and egg sandwich. Wala tayong cheese ngayon kasi naubusan. So, eto lang, tatlong ingredients yung gagamitin natin. Tas, spinach na din kasi nagluto ako for baby. So, kakain na ako ng spinach. So, eto, bake yan ni Mami. Hey guys! Okay, so we're here in Alabang Festival Mall. We have an agenda to do today. Kailangan namin pumunta ng immigration. So this is the 4th time na pumunta kami ng immigration dito sa Alabang para sa visa ni Mommy. So dumating siya last year, August 28. So first, nag-extend siya. Binigyan siya ng 1 month. Yung second extension niya, binigyan siya ng 2 buwan. Yung third extension niya, binigyan siya ng 2 buwan ulit. Bumalik yung husband ko sa car kasi nakalimutan niya yung documents ni Mommy. So ngayon, papunta na kami dun sa immigration. Before, it was located in so yan, nakuha na niya yung documents. Binalikan niya talaga sa car kasi yun yung kailangan namin. Before kasi tayo mag-apply ng visa, kailangan nating dalhin yung mga previous receipts natin. So, hinahanap namin yung immigration office kasi nilipat nila dito sa mall. Dati, katabi lang siya ng Crimson Hotel. So, first time namin magpa-extend dito. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung office nila. So, my husband searched that it's located at the 3rd floor. So, I hope tama siya.
curious. He's so curious.
Hindi pa namin mahanap yung office ng immigration. Babe, I think that side. So mali, it's Department of Foreign Affairs. Still searching. So, nagtanong kami sa security ng Department of Foreign Affairs at tinuro kami kung saan saan located yung immigration. Dun daw sa dulo. Yan, so dun daw, banda. So, nakita na po namin yung immigration. Yung immigration ay nandoon. Buti na lang nagtanong kami agad kung saan siya na located kasi baka paikot-ikot na naman kami ito sa mall.
Put your contact number.
So, nag-fill up po yung husband ko ng document. So, guys, lumabas ako kasi kailangan na may pa-photocopy yung ACR ni Mommy tsaka yung previous receipt niya. Before kasi, hindi siya kailangan. So, may bago daw protocol. Sinabi yung main office. So, ayan, nagpa-photocopy na tayo dun sa National Bookstore. Malapit na siya sa elevator. Aakyat na ako ulit. Babalik ako sa immigration office. So guys, wag niyong kalimutan yung photocopies para hindi na kayo mahassle. Kailangan nila ng photocopy ng ACR card. Pag meron na kayo, bio page ng passport nyo, tsaka latest stamp arrival, tsaka previous receipt nyo kung nagpa-extend na kayo before. My husband and baby are waiting inside. So we're waiting na. We submitted all the requirements. It's already 12:31. So we extended mom's visa. And sobrang bilis lang. Pag may kompleto kayong documents, mabilis lang siya. It takes only 10 minutes yung pagkaantay namin. Nagbayad lang ako, then binigay nila ulit yung passport, resibo.
So we extended my mom's visa until the end of October. But at the beginning of October, she has a flight back to her home country. Yeah, and now we're in the Thai restaurant, going to eat Thai food. Mom, will you miss Philippines? Mom.
So we're still waiting sa order namin. Nandito po kami sa Thai restaurant. Ito lang kasi yung nagustuhan ng husband ko na kainin today. So yung baby natin dyan is nag-iingay kakatapos niya lang uminom ng gatas. Inaantok na siya. After kumain, hindi ko alam kung uwi kami agad, pero sana uwi kami agad para makatulog siya. Tsaka nakalimut pang magdala ng diaper.
Глазки закрывай. Закрывай глаза.
So, dumating na yung order namin ng spring rolls. Dahil sobrang init ng rolls. So, tom yum. Kinakain ko lang yung shrimp. What is this again, babe?
Tagay.
Tom kagay. So we also ordered fried rice with shrimp. So naparami po yung kain niya kasi gusto niya yung soup na to.
Let's mix a bit.
Saka yan, hindi siya masyadong nag-rice pero nag-rice siya. Bella, can you pay the bill please? Bella. Kumalat po yung lipstick natin. Okay, so tapos na akong kumain. Saka yung anak natin, inaantok na rin. Kailangan na natin umalis dito kasi bored na siya. Baka makatulog siya habang naglalakad kami. So, ayan, lumabas na kami sa Thai restaurant and pupunta ako ng Watsons kasi bibili ako ng diaper. Nakalimutan ko yung diaper ni baby. Tapos,
Okay, baby.
I need to change her. So, we're here at the baby section here in Landmark. So, nakabili na ako ng diaper. Gonna change Bella. So, habang naghanap ng toilet, yan, napadaan kami dito sa baby section. Hey, girl. Hey, dude.
Hey, dude.
Hey, Judy. Hey, dude. Ito, dino again, never stop.
Never stop.
Oy, she doesn't like it. She's not using her sombrero anymore,
Bella,
babe.
Bella, you need sombrero.
Не любит она нас.
А, она просто в руках хочет подержать. Вот.
Yeah, he liked it. It's cute.
Да, Палочка, держи эту. Да, эту еще купи. Так все без булки, так она девочка.
Что?
Gusto niya ng sombrero para sa anak niya. Pero ayaw ng anak niya suotin.
Вот. Темный синий, понюхай.
So, we're buying car seat for this baby. Kasi yung car seat hindi niya ginagamit. I hope she'll sit down inside the car.
We bought the walker for her. She doesn't use it, right?
Yeah. Gustong gusto niya yung sombrero na to. Hawak. No, we love this baby. Are you buying this, La? How much is it? How much is that, La? We need to pay. We're buying this for the baby as well. Baby walker. Babe, I feel bad. Kawawa naman yung asawa ko nagbubuhat ng car seat ng anak niya. Malayo kasi yung pinarkingan namin. Malayo siya sa Landmark. So, yung lola niya, may daladalang baby walker din. Tapos yung sombrero, 3 sombrero yung binili nila. Finally, nandito na kami sa exit. Ang layo ng nilakad namin. Kawawa naman yung papa mo, Bella. So, umulan pala. Hindi namin namalayan. Okay, so on our way na So for today's video, yun lang yung ginawa natin. Nag-extend ang visa ni Mommy. Kumain sa restaurant, Thai restaurant. Unexpected shopping for the baby. Nagpaplano kaming bumili ng car seat, pero hindi namin tinano na ngayon. So nandito na din kami sa landmark. Kaya napabili na lang. Kasi hindi talaga siya umuupo sa luma niyang car seat. So andito na kami. We're gonna load everything. See you. Okay. Okay, so we're here inside the car now. And we're gonna go back home. See you there. Belle, 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 Belle. Belle, Papa bought a lot of stuffs for you. Say spasiba, Papa. Spasiba.